Welcome to our program, Learning Ndebele. Have you ever felt like now you really want to learn a second language? Have you ever gone to a place where you couldn't communicate with the locals there just because you didn't know how to speak with them? Guess what? We have an interesting program here where we are going to teach you how to speak Ndebele, and we're talking about Northern Ndebele or Zimbabwean Ndebele. This is a language that is spoken predominantly in Zimbabwe. Okay, so there are places where the language is mainly spoken in Zimbabwe, and it's mainly referred to as Ndebele. It might be Ndebele South, Ndebele North, Bulawayo, parts of Midlands, but the Ndebele people are found everywhere, really. So some of the places where Ndebele is spoken in Zimbabwe include your Gwanda, Beitbridge, Mawabeni, Esigodini, Vilabusi, Wange, Lupane, and many other places. Now, you know that Zimbabwe has got 16 officially recognized languages, and Ndebele is one of them. Sometimes they say, you hear somebody saying Ndebele, sometimes they say Ndebele. So which is which? Guess what? Both are correct. Ndebele is a language that uses prefixes for its nouns. So when you say isi, it's a prefix that you use before you name a language. Just like you would say isiShona for Shona language, isiKiwa or isiNgisi for English language. So Ndebele for Ndebele language. Okay? These lessons are designed for people who want to learn Ndebele from scratch. Okay? People who have no prior knowledge of it and who want to be able to converse in the language with the people and who want to know the Ndebele culture as well. So, in many countries, some people are able to speak in a number of languages, and they're called multilingual people. Here in Zimbabwe, many a times you hear people saying, such and such a people do not like to learn this or that language. So this is a chance for you to learn how to speak Ndebele. At some point, we are going to be comparing Ndebele and isiShona so that you may be able to derive some differences, some similarities here and there, and also so that Shona speakers may be able to learn Ndebele. But of course, these lessons are not designed only for Shona speakers, but for everyone who is interested in the language. So I hope we are going to enjoy these lessons as much as I'm going to enjoy teaching them to you.